Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this Sedge Stitch purse. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, and sometimes a bonus in between. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. I'm working with a chunky yarn and a 9mm crochet hook. And if you'd like to make your own t-shirt yarn, here's an excerpt from one of my previous videos where I showed you how to do that. And you can make your t-shirt yarn as thin or as thick as you would like. So first I'm going to just cut off the hem like that. And now I'm just going to start anywhere at all, and I'm just going to start on an angle like this. And now I'm just going to cut around and around, trying to maintain approximately the same width here. And I'm just going to go around and around and around until I have cut up all of the t-shirt. Okay, I finished cutting up the t-shirt and I stopped at the armholes. So I have about 25 yards here of yarn, and now I'm just going to stretch the entire length and then I'll roll it up. And there you have a ball of t-shirt yarn. Start with a slip knot. So go ahead and work your foundation chain to the length that you would like it. When you have your foundation chain the correct length, single crochet in the third stitch from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, single crochet. Skip 2 stitches. In the next stitch we're going to work 3 stitches. So we're going to work a single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet. Like that, all in the same stitch. Single, half double, double. Skip the next 2 stitches, single crochet in the next, and a half double, and a double. And you're going to work all the way across the row doing the same thing. So skip 2, in the next stitch work single crochet, half double, and a double. Like that. So I'm going to go ahead and work across the row, and then I'll come back and show you how to finish the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. At the end of the row, single crochet in the last stitch. I'm going to repeat this next row over and over. So I'm going to chain 2 and turn. And I'm going to double crochet in that same stitch. 1 double crochet. Now you're going to skip the next 2 stitches, and you're going to work into this stitch, and that is the single crochet from the previous row. And in that stitch you're going to do single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet. Like that, all in the same stitch. Now you're going to skip 2 and again work in the single crochet and make a single crochet and a half double and a double. And over to the next single crochet, do the same thing. Single, half double, and a double. Single, half double, and a double. There's my last single crochet. I'm going to work a single and a half double and a double, and I'm going to single crochet in the last stitch, like that. So every row is going to be the same. Chain 2 and turn, double crochet in that same stitch, and now you're going to go directly over to that single crochet and you're going to do single, half double, double. Then you're going to go right over to the next single crochet and repeat single, half double, double, and you'll just keep repeating that row over and over. And when you have your rectangle long enough that you can fold it over and have enough to have a flap that comes down, then you can fasten off, and then you can thread your yarn end into a needle, and you're going to sew down both sides. Like that, all the way down this side and this side as well. And when your bag is finished, you can fold some plastic canvas and slide it down inside, and that'll keep your bag nice and rigid. And I have a button here, and it's a shank button. And you can just find an opening here in the stitches and sew the button on for closure. And you could crochet a cord with 5 or 6 strands of yarn, just a simple chain cord. But I have these attachable handles, and I'm just going to clip one on each side like that. And there you go. That's how easy it is to crochet the Sedge Stitch bag or purse. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.